Yeah. So as you all know, it's a very famous saying that a great team is the secret behind the success of any endeavor. So Nishtha's core team comprises of a group of highly talented and sedulous individuals who put their heart and soul towards the fulfillment of the objectives of the society. You have already met me. It's you can once again see my picture where they can see me as in the video. My name is Sanil Sanger, and I am the president of the society. Next up, we have our lovely Vice President, Mr. Kartik Indoria. Then we have our General Secretaries, two General Secretaries, the very talented and high-spirited Tanu Jhagar and Riyali Patle. Next up, we have our two non-negotiable Joint Secretaries of Nishtha, Ms. Simran Deep and Mr. Abhishek Bansal. Last but not the least, we have a very principled and fundamentally honest treasurer, Ms. Ritu Raha. So this is our core team, a team of 7 members who work arduously day in and day out in order to achieve all the visions that the society has looked for. I'm changing my slide again. I hope it's visible. Can you see this structure slide?
Yes.
Yes, it is
So as
visible.
you can see, the structure, it's very simple as in any organization or so. The structure says that at the top, you can see at the top notch of the hierarchy, we have our principal, who is Professor Dr. Rama. Most of you must be knowing. In case you're from Hansraj College, she is Professor Dr. Rama. And in case you're from other colleges, I hope you know she is a very famous personality, being renowned all around Delhi University circuit and also across India. She is constantly, like in a month or two, or within a month, she is featured once or twice in the Hindu or Indian Express. You can always have a look. Next up, we have a convener, Mr. Professor Dr. Mahendra Prajapati. He is a professor of Hindi department as of now, and he is the convener of the society. The core team you have already met. Next, we have our council team, which consists of a team of highly motivated, skilled, sophisticated, and beautiful human beings, which are divided into 5 categories, as you're all going to see in the next slide, which comprises of the heads of 5 very different yet very important wings of the society, and they are responsible for the overall functioning of the society. At the bottom of the structure, you see the depiction, you can see there are the members. But you see, even though it's at the it is at the bottom, the member slide, but I would have to definitely say that they are our members, they are exceptionally enthusiastic and laboriously hardworking. And they act as a substructure to the superstructure of Nishtha, which you see in front of you as a society today, which has such a repute, such a magnificence in the entire Delhi University circuit, and I would say across India. So, or more appropriately, you see, the members are not only just a simple classification as a substructure or as a superstructure. It looks more of a kind of, you see, a very well-built foundation. Members are what we count as a well-built foundation who sort of takes over the weight of the edifice of the society which is there in front of you all. So next slide here, as I could show it to you, it is called wings. And we have 5 wings in our society as of now. First is creative wing, next is editorial, then we have the organizing wing, next we have PR and sponsorship wing, and last we have the technical wing. But this year, as you all will be seeing, like before commencing on with my next thing, I just have to make a very small sort of announcement that this year, since I know you freshers are all very talented, I know since you have faced such difficult times, you must be exceptionally talented. And we are welcoming the new talent which is coming to Delhi University, especially Hansraj College, and in particular this society. So if you have any specific talent or anything that you would like our society to work upon, like these are 5 wings as you can see in front of you. But agar iske alawa, if you have any other talent in your mind that you think you are very good at and we can frame an entirely new wing for that, you are more than welcome for that. We are going to provide a small sort of an option, a short answer type of question in our registration forms that we'll be releasing very soon during the for the recruitment. Over there, you can fill your preferences and your talent and the wing in particular. If you want any new wing to be there, you can fill your talents, be it, you see, it could be anything ranging from, you see, very different stuffs like writing, blogging, journal entries, or article writing, or any other thing. Maybe it could be related to technical thing, but something different. So website handling or so. So you can, you see, put in your efforts, you can put in your whatever talents or potentials you have, and we would be more than happy to sort of create a new wing comprising of new members, which would be you guys only. So now I would like to sort of, before you see over here, I would now like to call upon my heads, the council members, the very talented heads of ours, to sort of come and take over the forum in order to explain the workings of different wings and the mode of operations of our society. So first of all, we have our creative wing head. Like we have two heads as of now. We have for the introduction part, Palak. So Palak, would you please take over the forum and continue with the discussion? Like please, yeah, over to you.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are. You can initiate your address, Palak.
I think am I muted?
Um, you're audible to me. Yes, your video is also
Okay,
visible.
okay, okay, okay,
Yes.
okay, sure.
So over to
Uh, so hello all, I am Palak Jain, creative head of Nishtha. So, good afternoon, very warm good afternoon to all of you present here. So, I know this is the Freshers 2024 batch here, and welcome to the orientation program of Nishtha Hansraj. Talking about the creative wing, as the name suggests, it is responsible for providing creative and new ideas for the working of the society. It is responsible for making interactive strategies for scaling up the learning experience of all the fervent aspirants whom the society aims to serve. Another purpose of the creative wing members is to captivate posters, infographics, write-ups, handicrafts, and many more things. Like it, the members of the creative wing must know both tech work as well as editorial work, so that it can incorporate with other wings as well. Promoting society post and other stories is the responsibility of the members of the wing of this wing as well. They also work on to present compiling visuals with the help of artworks and digital software for increasing the engagement of the audience on the social media handles of the society. Furthermore, this wing help in making decorations of the workshops, fest, etc., and leave no stone unturned in integrating originality and imagination into all events that are organized by the Force Society. So, we welcome you all to the Nishtha Hansraj family as well as the creative wing. Now, I would like to hand over the platform to Akshat for the editorial wing presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Palak. And good afternoon, everyone. I am Akshat, and I am the editorial head of Nishtha. So I hope that you might have got a vague idea just by reading the word editorial here. But I'm here to embark upon all the details of this regarding the functioning of this wing. So, as you know, that every organization or every society, they need a component or they need a part to express themselves, right? So that all their activities or all the initiatives, they should disseminate to all the potential or targeted audience for them to, garner the benefits from those activities. So, uh, so as you know that in Nishtha we leave no stone unturned to furnish a competitive ambience for all the budding civil servants. So this is where the editorial wing comes into the picture. As in Nishtha, we express ourselves through the writing medium. All right. So in this editorial wing, the members of the editorial wing, they ensure that details of all the activities or all the initiatives of the society, they are disseminated to all the budding civil servants out there in the most appealing or the precise manner, so that they could garner the benefits out of those activities which are meant to them. Because at Nishtha, we tried our very best efforts to provide a learning experience to all the budding civil servants out there. Apart from this, they also constantly research upon various pivotal topics pertaining to the coveted civil services examination, and then we curate the crisp and edifying contents from the most reliable source in the form of weekly series and weekly news updates. Weekly series in the sense is, for example, if I say, to provide me a gist of a recent article or a recent book that you have read, so what you'll try to do is you'll try to incorporate all the significant and indispensable details of that particular heading or portions of that particular article. Yeah, right. So this is what we do in the weekly series. We take some of the important topics that are important from the examinations perspective, and from the sea of material that is available to us, we search for the best out of that, and we curate in that particular content in the crisp format. The idea behind that is, it should be easy for you to revise, right? And it should be easy for you to remember. So this is what we do in weekly series. In weekly news is nothing but it's the compilation of all the significant headlines of that particular week, following by a brief description of that particular news headlines. So this, and the most important thing that we keep in our mind by curating these content is that the authenticity and the reliability of the content that we are preparing. So we prepare the content that is authentic and it is from the credible source. The wing is also entrusted by the crucial responsibility of preparing all other contents that are published on the social media handles of the society. As I already told you that, the wing is all about expression. So furthermore, as you all know that you might have you might have that some point of time you might have to curate some professional writings. So this wing also proffers you with professional writing experience by giving you some tasks where you have to write several invitations, applications and letters, etc. So if you are the one who express yourself with the words, and you want to escalate your writing prowess, and you believe that the words can work wonders, then yeah, editorial wing has a lot to offer. Thank you, and over to you, Elisha.
Hi everyone. Are the PR heads here? PR?
Yes, am I audible?
Yeah, you can go first.
Okay. So, hello everyone. I am Manish Joshi. Am I visible?
You're not Manish. I couldn't see you. Guys, this
Okay, well,
description, like our heads, Manish, Sarthak, and Upwan, they are PR and sponsorship heads, and it is they who are going to speak about the workings. It's not the working of organizing wing, but rather a PR and sponsorship wing. So, Manish, just try opening your camera, maybe if there is a
I'm open.
glitch or
I'm open.
okay. All right, then you can start. Yes.
Okay, well. So, hello everyone. I am Manish Joshi, the PR and sponsorship wing coordinator. So, the PR and sponsorship wing has the onus of augmenting the stature of society by ensuring that all the activities are voiced out to the potential audience through the social media handles of society. So, this basically implies that the major work of PR team is promotion. Promotion of the events, promotion of the sessions which society conducts from time to time, and promotion of the society itself by expanding the reach of society through all the possible social media handles. So basically in PR team, we have to promote our events, which the society conducts. And how we can promote those events by sharing the poster of that event in all the groups of which we are a part of, in all the WhatsApp groups to all our friends. So, and the second point says that the members of this wing have the responsibility of bagging sponsorships from prominent organizations to fund the robust functioning of society. So, if you think you are reticent and you have some introversions in expressing your thoughts and ideas in front of others, then this sponsorship wing task would hit the nail on the head. As here, you will get plethora of opportunities to express yourself. You have to talk to sponsors, you have to text them, and you have to even call them. You have to satisfactorily convince them that how prestigious the Nishtha Society is, and how in large number the students come to attend our sessions. So it is a great way to boost up your and ramp up your confidence. So for briefing up the next 2 points of PR wing, I would like to hand over the platform to my fellow coordinator Kuwar, who is also present here. Kuwar,
Thank you, Manish. Hope I am audible.
yes, you are.
Uh, uh, Hello, everyone. I am Kuwar Puvan. I'm a second year physics honors student at Hansraj College. And so I'll be explaining about further 2 points as Manish has already explained about the most two crucial points of this PR and sponsorship wing. You see, group discussions are the part and the parcel of this wing. And being in the PR and sponsorship wing, you would have a voice you would have a say in planning of the further courses of the society and would also play a significant role in prospering your personality. And also, if you wish to acquire hands-on experience in professional outreaching, and if you want to boost your own your communication and leadership skills, then PR in sponsorship wing is the most suitable niche for you. And this really helps in acquiring the professional in outreaching and also boost your personality. Thank you. I would like to keep the ball rolling. I would like to hand over to Elisha. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi everyone, this is Elisha. I'm one of the organizing heads. I hope I'm audible and I'm visible. Sanil Bhaiya, could you please just tell me?
Yes, you are perfectly visible and audible. Yes.
Thank you. So other two heads are Gargi and Shresht. To begin with, I would like to tell you that everything is revolving around organizing wing. Okay, so the first thing you need for this wing is the willingness to learn, because you have to write mails, we have to send formal mails, inviting guest speakers or inviting up honorable principal ma'am. So this is a work done by editorial wing. You must think that they write everything, but organizing wing is the one which deals with mails. Then you have to come with brilliant ideas, anything you think would benefit our society. So that's a work of creating wing, but we also do that. So it's like everything is done by organizing wing. And I would say that I'm sorry if someone takes it personal, but I think organizing wing here is the backbone. You might have received a form for this orientation, right? So even all the forms that society, provides are done by the organizing wing. You would have received a link in that mail. The mails are done by organizing wing. The links are given by organizing wing. So if you are willing to learn, even if you don't know these things, you are most welcome here. Second thing would be our study sessions. So this is something very unique of Nishtha Society, that we try to conduct a study session every month. So we take any topic which is of importance for this examination, and then we have anchors, we have moderators, we have presenters from our wing only who present who present on this topic, and then we carry forward with the question answer round, and we do a quiz for the same thing. So these sessions are conducted by you only, who are the members of our wing. And then there are weekly quizzes. If you are a follower of our social media handle, you would know that we give out a weekly quiz on every Sunday. So these quizzes are prepared by us. Then, due to the shift towards the online mode, yes, you know how things have changed. So due to this pandemic, we have had all our speaker sessions through, online media. So I would say that if you are, I'm sorry, I'm reading this question right now. Will you provide this video on YouTube? Yes, yes, you'll get this video on YouTube. Sorry. So we have to get in speakers for our speaker sessions, so you should have a persuasive nature. You should know how to persuade people. You should know how to reach out to them, because now you will be representing our college, you will be representing our society. So, you have to be formal and you should know how to deal with people, and they are like prominent personalities. So you would have the opportunity to interact with them and maybe, interview them. So this is really big. Then I would read, due to the shift towards the online mode of functioning of the society, The members of this wing are also instrumental in the efficient management of all the events and sessions on various virtual platforms. Okay. And since I told you that organizing wing is dealing with everything, you should know how to coordinate with your fellow members of the wing and other wing members, because I would say you guys act as a bridge between all the wings. So you should know how to take criticism well, you should know how to learn, and you should always be up for learning. Thank you, and I would like to I would like to hand over to Harshita.
Thank you, Arisha. So, good afternoon, everyone. I am Harshita Sharma. I am the editorial head of Nishtha. Unfortunately, our technical wing heads could not be here, but I'll be telling you about the working of the technical wing. So, the technical wing is entrusted with one of the most crucial responsibilities of handling all the work, which is concerned with the usage of various digital platforms and softwares in scaling up the learning experience of all the ardent aspirants, which is the pivotal objective of the society. So the recent shift towards the online mode of learning has kind of augmented the significance of this wing in the society. The members of this wing employ their technical skills for designing various captivating and illustrative posters, reels, videos, GIFs, etc. for the several events, sessions, and workshops that are organized by the society. Um, so and various other initiatives as well that the society keeps on undertaking every now and then. They also develop engrossing presentation slides for all the informative weekly and monthly series pertaining to the syllabus of UPSC CSE that are posted on the social media handles of the society, which you can go and check out. So this way, the technical wing members like complement the work of the other wings, like the editorial and the creative wings as well. Moreover, the members of this wing also provide all the technical assistance to the other wings um, whenever they require so, in order to ensure the structured and efficient functioning of the society. Overall, the wing spares no effort in furnishing appealing and easily comprehensible visuals for the aspirants, which ultimately helps them in having an edge over the others. Now talking about what you all will get if you are a part of this wing. So besides getting ample exposure, you all will get amazing exclusive opportunities to work on different softwares like Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop Sketch, Canva, and many more such softwares which you all might be knowing about. Which are gaining in today's scenario are gaining a lot of prominence because of their ever increasing usage and application in almost every field. So being a part of this wing truly pans out to be an amazing perk for an aspirant, which you would never want to miss out on. So now Sanil Bhaiya will tell you more about the society as well as the recruitment process.
Thank you so much, everyone. All the heads, you really presented and explained the working of each wing very beautifully. Thank you so much. And also, guys, everyone who is here right now, as you would have seen that you see, like our technical heads were not present here today because of certain reasons and emergency at their places. But all of our wing members, like our wing heads, they have coordinated so well. Like they know the functioning, they know the working of each wing so brilliantly that they can even explain you the tidbits of, you see, even the minute details of that particular wing. So when you come into this society, I can promise one thing, if not anything else, then you will at least be able to work upon yourself and grow as an individual, learning new skills, new talents, and maybe, you see, just improve upon other things that you might already have. So with that, I come to the recruitment process now. So as you can see in front of you, I hope my slide has changed. First of all, if somebody could confirm.
Yes, it is.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So as you can see in the recruitment process, we have overall 6 stages, which is filling up of Google form. As you have filled for the orientation program, likewise, you have to fill for the recruitment process. Next, the screening of Google Forms. It has nothing to do with you people, but rather the team, the core team and the heads, they go through your answers, whatever you have filled in the forms. And through that, we shortlist a few you see, we get a large number of response. It's very huge, and it becomes difficult for us to you see, shortlist. Even while screening, we face difficulty as to whom to exclude and whom to include. So it is how, like, we just work diligently, review all the answers that you have given in those forms, and then try to sort of just screen few people, and then you are informed most of the times over mail, and after you receive a mail or so, you're added into a WhatsApp group or otherwise for the interview round. So interview round is the third stage. Do not worry about interview round as in something very difficult where your knowledge would be tested. No, it's simply meant to know who you as an individual, as a person are, or is, rather, whatever it suits. Like, it could be different, is or are for different people. So language is very fluid. I'm really sorry for that, for leaving that aside. So over there in the interview process, we have, you see, it's a panel of core team members as well as heads. And you see, we ask many questions and everything in order to gauge your personality and see if you are fit as an individual whom we could, you see, take with us as a raw material, and we could sort of polish them through these 3 years. You see, I would not be here for all the 3 years of your graduation. Maybe I would be leaving the next year in May or otherwise. But then the team that we have, they are already polished. They have been there in that process in which you are about to enter, and they have those skills, those expertise in order to sort of just, you see, just polish you in order to make you eligible for higher things. And that is what we sort of look into the interview round, whether you are at least suitable for that particular thing, that you are finely, you see, a fine mixture of different talents, a fine individual whom we could take up with us and polish and, you see, produce as a nurtured, as a brilliant source of, you see, a source for this country. Later on, maybe would go ahead for other, if not UPSC, then other examinations. And if not even in this field of civil services or otherwise, you would become a better individual with us. That we could definitely promise. Next up, we have a sample task. On the day of your interview, in the WhatsApp group you're a part of, we'll be sharing with you a document in which, you see, you must be filling in your preferences in the Google form itself, like Wing 1 and Wing 2 preferences. So whatever your first Wing preference is, you have to submit a sample task. Also, just a second. I'm really sorry for this break. I hope English is a comfortable medium for all of you, or do I need to be, you see, bilingual over here? Just please let me know if English is comfortable for all of you. It would work. Otherwise, I have to be, you see, in a bilingual sort of mode. Just give me certain yes or no.
We are from Telangana.
Yes. So you understand English, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I was just asking about the interview round.
Bhaiya, could you please keep it bilingual, because there are many here in the comment section, like they want it to be bilingual.
All right, sure. So I'll just maybe, I hope this much is clear. If not, I'll just repeat, like Google form fill karna hai sabko, and after, or maybe I'll just start from sample task itself. वो हो गया है. तो sample task के लिए वहाँ पे we'll be providing you with a certain document which will be having certain, you see, task assigned कि ये task आपको करना है within that, for that particular wing. And that task you have to submit by a particular deadline, which will be mentioned in the document that will be circulating. तो उस document को आपको देखना है अपना interview के बाद. आपको वो morning में ही, before your interview, you will get this document, आपको मिल जाएगा, and you'll have one complete day, or if not one complete day, at least 12 hours or so. By midnight, you have to submit that sample task with us. उसके बाद on the overall performance, you see, you have filled the Google form, screening ho gaya hai, interview round, we have gauged your personality, and finally, by seeing your work, we sort of come to an understanding as to which wing would be most suitable आप लोगों के लिए, किसमें आप सबसे बेहतर तरीके से रह सकते हैं. And उसके बाद we once again go through all the samples जो आपने दी हैं, submit करते हैं, and उसके आधार पे, based on that, हम लोग अपने जो भी students हैं उनको finally एक list बना के we select them, and then the results are mostly announced on Instagram. If not, you will be receiving, like, you definitely receive a mail or otherwise which informs you that you have been selected for the society. और उसके बाद आप लोगों को हमारे जो official groups हैं, हमारे society and community groups, उसमें we give you entry. Also, I wanted to make one thing very clear यहाँ पे, we have a division between society and community, इसलिए क्योंकि the society is meant for students who are from Hansraj College itself, right? जो बच्चे हंसराज कॉलेज से हैं उनके लिए we have society, but the people who are from say for example who are from other colleges excluding Hansraj, like from Delhi University or elsewhere, if you are from that other universities, other colleges, then we give you entry into our recruitment group. There is no such difference except for the fact that sometimes there are certain events, कुछ events ऐसे होते हैं, कभी ऐसे होता है जो केवल हमारे जो हंसराज कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए ही लिमिटेड रहता है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स अगर सबके लिए ओपन नहीं होता है, बट हमारे कम्युनिटी के मेंबर्स को भी हम ऑलवेज अलाउ करते हैं. सो देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन हमारे कम्युनिटी और हमारे सोसाइटी में. थोड़ा सा अंतर है, वन दे आर फ्रॉम हंसराज, अदर्स आर फ्रॉम अदर कॉलेजेस. So uske alawa there is no sort of discrimination, there is no sort of difference, and we try to sort of cater to the needs of both our society as well as our community members. और वैसे जो हमारे इवेंट्स होते हैं, द पीपल, आप लोग फ्रेशर्स हैं, लेकिन अब मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि हमारे सारे इवेंट्स जो होते हैं वो पूरे लाइक अक्रॉस इंडिया हमारे रजिस्ट्रेशन ओपन रहते हैं, एंड वी हैव हैड फुटफॉल ऑफ अराउंड 1000-1500 or so स्टूडेंट्स हमारे इवेंट्स में आते हैं. So this is how we work, and I hope the recruitment process का जो procedure है, it is clear with for everyone. So I'm moving ahead with going on to the next slide. I hope my slide, the screen has changed now to the next slide. Guys, somebody, if you can give me a confirmation. Yes, thank you.
Yes.
So this slide represents, like in our WhatsApp groups, you see these days everything is virtual, and like not everything is posted on Instagram. You see what is posted on Instagram वो सबके लिए ही रहता है, जो हमारे जितनी भी ऑडियंस पब्लिक डोमेन में है, जो भी हमारे ऑडियंस है वो सबके लिए रहता है. बट इन द WhatsApp ग्रुप आप लोग मुझ सोच रहे होंगे जब सब कुछ ओपन सबके लिए ही रहता है, then what are the perks of being in this society? There are a lot of perks. ये स्क्रीन छोटी थी इसलिए हमने केवल 4 पॉइंट्स यहाँ ऐड करे हैं, बाकी के जो पॉइंट्स हैं maybe I'll just explain as I am going through this slide. So the first is that a daily newspaper circulation. So in order to make you aware of the happenings in and around the world, around you, and nationally, internationally, transcending the borders and everywhere, हम लोग newspapers को circulate करते हैं अपने groups में every day, regularly. We try most of the times, but as we are also humans, at times it happens so कि वो नहीं भी जा पाता है, but I hope you all understand ऐसा होता है. Like everyone has certain, you see, at times we face difficulties and so, तो वो कभी नहीं जा पाते हैं, and this is how we are very open to this. Like we have no regrets saying कि हम लोग कभी नहीं भी share करते हैं, but at most of the times we try to be very regular हमारे daily newspaper circulation के साथ, and that is free of cost. You do not have to pay anything for, you see, for the newspapers. You do not have to get a subscription because you're a part of the society. You will be getting these newspapers, which are the Hindu, Indian Express for the English medium students, like जिनको English में पढ़ना है, and we also try to circulate जनसत्ता for the जो लोग हमारे हिंदी मीडियम से इस एग्जाम की में भी जो प्रेपरेशन कर रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए we have जनसत्ता as well. So this is our daily newspaper circulation, and these newspapers and everything that we do, it is a newspaper especially, they are circulated between, you see, before 12, before noon, you will be receiving the newspaper, and with this you can see the last point which says to be read. And uska matlab hai, it is meant to provide a streamlining vision for reading the newspapers. What is it? It is a kind of, you must have been to different platforms and you must have seen that they give certain bullet points which states that these are ye kuch important topics hain which you have to go through the newspapers from the perspective of UPSC. तो जो हमारा to be read section है, these are pictures which give you an idea as to आपको कौन सा point पढ़ना है, कौन सा news पढ़ना है, and which news you can easily skip. However, we always sort of foster you guys, encourage you to read the entire newspaper in order to so that you guys understand and take extra inputs in reading, which in turn sort of, you see, it does a, what we can say, a cause effect sort of an improvement, wherein you work upon your own vocabulary by reading the newspaper entirely. It gives you a lot of edge when you read an entire newspaper. तो इसलिए we foster, but it is up to you at the end of the day कि आप उस newspaper को जो हम लोग आपको furnish कर रहे हैं, how you are going to utilize that अपने आगे उसका जो भी आपका vision है उसको fulfill करने के लिए. Next up we have weekly short crisp news. So this is how like we also post like for the members जैसे आप लोग कुछ ऐसे होते हैं every time as I said we are also having a personal life apart from the education the studies that we are doing तो होता है we are unable to at times read newspapers so we every week as you must have seen you can visit our Instagram handles maybe I request one of our heads to post the links in the chat box so that they can see our social media handles over there you can see we post our weekly news and otherwise और उसमें we give 7 or 8 bullet points, especially 7 because one day for 1 point for each day. And उसमें आप देख सकते हैं जो important point, most important points I would say, since we cannot cover everything in a single slide, हम लोग try करते हैं जो most important points हों वो उस weekly news में जाएं and that you can access on our Instagram. Apart from that, we also share some informative sort of apart from the informative series which are written here, like from the UPSC syllabus, like fundamental rights on the art and architecture as we are running it now. Also United Nations. इससे पहले we have done Indian independence movement. And also at इससे पहले we had a lot of other things like physical from geography also we had few topics that series is complete you can have a look it's very useful very crisp points and written keeping in mind the you see the guidelines that UPSC gives like in the sense that you can only write 250 or so pointers in you see in the answers 250 150 words so we give a content which gives you a sort of holistic understanding of that topic and which you can reduce the size of which you can reduce as per your needs and demands. So that is how, apart from all these 4 things, we also have daily vocabulary in the sense we give 5 words उनका English meanings and usage in a sentence जो आप देख के अपना vocabulary को enrich कर सकते हैं that we provide daily. Apart from that, we also provide certain if there is something very important, say for example, a ministry has released some sort of new policy or so which is meant for the benefit of certain section या कुछ और other कुछ ऐसा updates आता है which is very important. तो उसका we also provide certain write-ups which is not there on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on Facebook or other places on our social media, but it is there in the official groups वो केवल आप लोगों को मिलता है तो that is how our society functions इसके अलावा we have organized a lot of interviewing meetings we organize a lot of other things too जिसमें केवल हमारे विंग और हमारे कम्युनिटी और हमारे सोसाइटी मेंबर्स जो हमारे सी आई वुड नॉट मेक अ डिफरेंस हियर कम्युनिटी एंड सोसाइटी इट्स सोसाइटी सो हमारे जो सोसाइटी मेंबर्स हैं यू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंटरैक्ट टू लर्न एंड यू सी देयर आर कॉम्पिटिशंस एट टाइम्स जो दे आर एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर द मेंबर्स ऑफ लाइक फॉर आवर सोसाइटी so you can be there also as like one of our like our organizing head Elisha said that we in organizing wing you can see the self love she is having with the society she is so much into the society she said that it's the backbone of the society and it is at you see we cannot say that which wing is second to other or otherwise I think no wing is second to none and each of them are they are you see very you see very crucial very pivotal in order to you see maintain the smooth functioning जो हमारे society का है and that is how it works and over there as Elisha mentioned that we have you see in the organizing wing we have these kind of things जहाँ पे आपको सीखने को बहुत मिलता है I would say in every wing in if you are selected in the society that is how the society is about people or you also hear rumors that maybe you would not get selected but let me tell you very honestly कि ऐसा क्यों सुनने को मिलता है कि आप maybe select ना हो you see we receive a large number of you see these what we say registrations we receive a large number of registrations and it becomes difficult for us to select you see we can have a limited number of people in our society we try to have as many people as we can who we think are suitable तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको लग रहा है कि आप कहीं से भी थोड़ा सा कुछ है तो आप नहीं आ पाओगे कुछ भी ऐसा लगता है कि हम थोड़ा सा कुछ कमी है तो शायद ही हमें सिलेक्ट ना करें नो if you give your 100% as I said जब हम लोग अपना देखते हैं आप लोगों का if you are honest with your answers interview round में if you're honest with yourself and you see present हम लोगों के सामने जैसे आप हैं वैसे ही we definitely try to sort of take you into the society because we are looking for raw potential and we try कि हम उसको आगे ले जाके अपनी सोसाइटी के लिए अच्छा करें ही आप लोगों को भी हम आगे हेल्प कर पाएं किसी भी तरीके से So this is how. Let me move on to the next slide. I have said a lot of things. It's already, you see, 10 minutes to 4 now. Let me just move on to the next slide. I hope my screen has changed, right?
Yes, it
Yes.
does.
Yes.
There was a lot of silence. It just sort of unnerved me for a second. But as you can see over here, ये हमारे events हैं. हमने सारे events को नहीं इसमें लिखा है. हमारे maybe I think links would have been shared. मेरा screen open है. That's why I could not be there on the MS team का उस पे. But I hope the link would have been circulated अभी तक. आप देख सकते हैं उसमें और भी काफी events हैं. जो ये first photo आप देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे I can show it to you. This is Ilma Afroz ma'am. She is a very well-known personality, very inspiring, very motivational. इनका हम लोगों ने एक GS Core के साथ सेशन किया था इन कोलैबोरेशन. ये हमारे यहाँ एक दो बार से ज्यादा भी आ चुके हैं. लाइक लास्ट ईयर भी आए थे, उससे पहले भी आए थे. शी इज सच एन इंस्पिरेशनल पर्सनालिटी. इन केस आप लोगों को भी इनसे मिलने का मन है और आप चाहें कि हम इनको फिर से लेके आए, जस्ट लेट मी नो. जब आप हमारे सोसाइटी में आ जाए या नहीं भी आए तो वील डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू ब्रिंग हर बैक और आपके साथ एक सेशन हम जरूर करवाना चाहेंगे. नेक्स्ट ईयर ये हमारे सोसाइटी की मीटिंग्स के बाद ऐसे पिक्चर्स लेते हैं. तो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सी. इस पिक्चर में देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल यू कैन सी. तो दैट इज हाउ आवर सोसाइटी वर्क्स. ये दिस वाज इन ऑफलाइन मोड. इट जस्ट गॉट मी नॉस्टैल्जिक फॉर अ सेकंड, बट नो इश्यूज. उसके बाद थर्ड स्लाइड टॉप में आप देख सकते हैं. This is called Nishtha Paciencia, like it's a Spanish word, I believe, for patience. And this was an annual fest in the year 2019, I believe. It was in 2020. जिस साल हमारा लॉकडाउन लगा, उस साल ही ये हुआ था. It was a super duper hit. It was very nicely, you see, pulled off. और बहुत अच्छे से हमारा ये सेशन हुआ था ऑफलाइन मोड में. उसके बाद कोरोना स्ट्राइक द कंट्री एंड द वर्ल्ड. एंड उसके बाद से एज यू कैन सी अभी हम लोग स्क्रीन से एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो चल रहा है. जो ये वाला फोटो आप देख रहे हो, इस फोटो में यू कैन सी देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल. ये हमारा लास्ट ईयर से पहले के कोर टीम है. As you can see, here is our, ये जो बीच में खड़ी हुई है in draped in, you see, orange sari. She is our beloved principal, Professor Dr. Rama. उनके साथ में we have our convener, Mr. Mahendra Prajapati sir. साथ में ये हमारे सिमरन दीदी. She is a super senior of mine and वो हमारे president थे उस वक्त. यहाँ पे VP and otherwise. तो ये हमारा core team था उस वक्त का, and there are members too. So this is how. And ये जो सामने आप देख रहे हो, if you're from Hansraj, this is the old seminar room. And यहाँ पे हमारे sessions कई बार conduct होते हैं. And this is the inside. ये भी हमारे alumni रह चुके हैं. Alumnus, he was one of the alumnus of Hansraj College. And काफी अच्छा rank है इनका. He was also invited for the हमारे event के लिए. And this is, as you can see, इतना physical mode में, as you can see, इतना पूरा table तो हम लोग पैक हो जाता था साथ में students. It used to be, the room used to get so fit that there hardly you see, there was any space for standing. At times a bit suffocating too, but then we try to somehow manage. But in the offline virtual mode, as you can see, this platform gives us a lot of relaxation and you see, laxity sort of a thing कि हम लोग कितने भी ज़्यादा लोगों को ला सकते हैं, and you can be a part of the events. So this is how our events are. Next we have, as you can see, this was our first virtual event after the lockdown. सब लोगों ने सोचा था कि क्या कर सकते हैं, अभी तो लॉकडाउन लग गया है, but no, our core team last year with under the presidentship of Mr. Shiva Pamar, he was our beloved president last year, और उनके अंदर में this was a first event which we conducted. I at that time was an editorial head, and I got the opportunity to sort of host the session for this IFS Shubhangi Srivastav ma'am on the second day. She is currently posted, she is there in Paris, I believe, and she is, you see, serving the country as an IFS over there. So this is how, this was the first virtual, it's called Parishram, and Parishram का मतलब सभी जानते हैं, it's just hard work and endurance and struggle that you do. So you see the names that we give to our events, they're also very important. You see, Parishram is, it has a certain vision, it has a certain idea behind कि हमने उसको परिश्रम क्यों दिया है, and जो personalities हम लेके आए हैं वो I think they're the living examples of that परिश्रम, जैसा हमने अपने event को नाम दिया. So you can see Ayush Sanghi sir, Shubhangi ma'am, Mahipal Singh Rathore, he hardly needs any introduction. Very famous personalities, Nandini Maharaj ma'am, Gaurav Garg sir, and obviously Akhilesh Mishra sir. And इनसे तो हमारे society को, he has also sort of appreciated our work and written an appreciation letter in the name of our principal as well as in the name of our president for the society, and he appreciated our work for conducting such sessions in such challenging times. So that is how, let me just move on, otherwise I'll just go on and on. So this was our second event last year. This was called Arambh, and once we got the confidence कि हाँ हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं, this is how we started again कि हाँ अब तो हम कर लेंगे, and we called it Arambh. And as you can see, the distinguished personalities who graced the event were Naveen Kumar Chandra sir, Prem Prakash Meena sir, Nandini Maharaj ma'am. Nandini Maharaj over here because in the Parishram session, because of certain reasons, she wasn't able to come. So she fixed a slot with us for this event, and that is how she was here again. So and then Nirupama Kotru ma'am. So that is how. This was class of Hansraj. This was conducted in this year itself in the month of February. And over there, we again had very, you see, luminous personalities like Sanjay Bhattacharya sir, Ira Singhal ma'am. She was an all India rank 1 with a disability, but she turned it into an asset. And that is how she is very inspirational. You see the recorded video of Ira Singhal ma'am is there, I believe, on our YouTube. You can go and have a look definitely. Then we have Mrunal Patel sir. He hardly needs an introduction. Every individual who is maybe or is about to enter into this arena of UPSC, he must be from friends or family or maybe from coaching institutes or pamphlets or online sources. They must be knowing Mrunal Patel. So he's very good. You see, rank 1 educator at an academy, or also he is a recipient of YouTube Golden Button. So Inca Economics ka is very famous, as you all know. I do not have to say it. It just looks so, you see, repetitive, but no issues. And then we have, last but not the least, Mukund Thakur sir. He was an alumna of one of the alumni of Delhi University. And wo hamare occasion pe he's very down-to-earth personality. You can see his Instagram profile. I am not sure exactly where he's posted now because he was transferred from somewhere, I believe. But he's very, very motivational. तो इनके साथ भी हमारे सेशन रह चुके हैं. This was an annual fest this year, and this was called Sankalp. इसमें we had Justice Markande Katsu sir, जो कि हमारे chief guest speaker थे. He inaugurated the session. Next we had Ambassador Akhilesh Mishra sir, and also we had one in collaboration with UPSC Lounge, which was with Rajesh Sahai sir के साथ में. And last, Himanshu Nagpal. जो फोटो हमने पीछे देखा था वो हिमांशु नागपाल सर का ही था. He is an alumnus of Hansraj College, जिन्होंने UPSC को अपने first attempt में crack किया था. So that is how his journey began. Hansraj से ही शुरू हुआ. And abhi he's currently posted as an IAS officer. I'm not sure of the posting though, where he's posted, but definitely he was there for the session and he was truly inspirational. Now, next up, this was, you see, we started this presidentship under the tenure for the new core team began in the month of, I believe, July, particularly because हमने July में ही start किया था. So this was the first event. It was called Uddeshya. And वहाँ पे, you see, 3 very famous personalities, hardly need any introduction. IS Sonal Goyal ma'am, IS Isha Duhan ma'am, and IS Yogesh Patil sir. The session with all of them, like तीनों के साथ ही बहुत ही brilliant, बहुत ही beautiful था, and very inspirational too. Even I can still remember if I could take some of the time, although it's 4, like, and I know आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा 1 घंटा होने वाला है. But still, just to sort of, I just clicked my mind right now. Yogesh Patil sir, he very brilliantly said कि आपको, you see, ये नहीं देखना होता है कि हम जब हमारा हो जाता है UPSC में selection. He said it very blatantly, very inspiringly कि जो हम करते हैं हमें ये नहीं देखना, you see, जो हमें post मिला, जो हमें service मिला है, वो लोगों के लिए मिला है और उसके लिए हमें बदलना नहीं है कि हमारे पास आज कुछ post है, उससे हमारा बदलना नहीं चाहिए. He said something very crucial जो हम काफी बार सुनते हैं, but जब उनसे हमने वो सुना, it was उनके मुंह से वो शब्द, they were truly inspirational. He said वो जो लोग आपको respect करते हैं, it is because of the position of that chair जिस पे आप बैठते हैं, वो IAS की टेबल chair या IFS की, IPS की, जो भी अच्छा आप पोस्ट लेते हैं. Over here as well, maybe, I do not know how many of you respect me, but just because I am the president, you are here bearing with me, and I am really fortunate कि आप सुन रहे हैं उसको. तो he said कि वो उसका है, and हमें उसकी वजह से change नहीं होना है, and जो हम as individuals, as humans हैं, वो हमारा जो मनुष्यता है, वो हमें हमेशा जीवित रखना है और लोगों के साथ काम करना है. These were very touching words, मुझे अभी भी याद हैं. तो this is how, and the बगल में जो आप देख रहे हैं, this was an after post जो हमारा सोनल गोयल मैम के साथ हुआ. उसमें आप पढ़ सकते हैं कि हमने क्या-क्या सेशन में हुआ था. And if you're interested, ये सारे videos they are there on our YouTube, so you can check them out. So this is a very recent event. हमारे अभी बीच में ही in the month of November we had our assignments. Like ये हमारा event हुआ था in the month of November, starting from 9th to and ending on 15th. और उसके बाद we haven't had any event as of now, like because of the exams and other things going on. It was very, as you can see, that the personalities there in the poster. Nishan Jain sir, Safin Hassan sir hardly needs an introduction. Urvi ma'am, Amit Lodha sir, Mr. Manoj Jindal, Mr. Suraj Singh Parya, he was from Hindi department और उनका हिंदी medium था, he was a topper from there. He was truly inspirational. इनका अभी इनके sessions जो हैं, they're not there on YouTube, but very soon we'll be uploading them on our YouTube platform. And जो आप freshers हैं, जो शायद कुछ आप लोगों में से शायद attend किए हों अभिक्षित means ऐसा कभी जो देखा नहीं गया. This was the first time जो हमारा यू सी टोटल 7 दिन तक ये इवेंट चला. तो दिस इज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम हमारी सोसाइटी ने ऐसा कुछ किया था. तो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड अवीक्षित. तो इसके जो हमारे वीडियोस हैं वील ट्राई कि हम अपलोड करें उनको यूट्यूब पे. और जो लोगों ने मिस किया है, whoever has missed them, आप जा सकते हैं हमारे यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म पे and you can have a look at all those sessions. This is an after post with Safin Hassan sir के साथ. There were very brilliant comments. They were very excited, thanking sir and saying, asking different questions. And sir too was very, very humble in answering all the questions and the queries जो कि हमारे participants ने post किए थे. So that was how Abhishek was. And let me just move on. These are some of our, you see, these are not big events, but they are also not small events. They are something which are very crucial, जहाँ पे हम ऐसे speakers को लेके आते हैं जो आपको UPSC के बारे में जानकारी दे सकें. Topic like जो भी strategy कैसा होना चाहिए, book list कैसा होना चाहिए. Although there are a lot of videos available on YouTube, इतने सारे topics का आज तो everything is there in the free domain and you can easily go click on that you see video and see it. But जब आप as in a society when you are there, you get the opportunity तो आप उनको personally देख सकते हैं, एक screen share कर सकते हैं. And that is I think one of the very big things. अपने questions directly you can get them answered. अगर आप video देखोगे maybe it will get some time. अगर आप उनको personally भी text करेंगे, they would definitely respond. ऐसा नहीं है वो respond नहीं करते हैं, they respond, but maybe it would take time. But when such events come, आपको एक मौका मिलता है कि आप then and there you get your answers, you get your queries, your questions resolved, और फिर आप अपना जैसे आपको जो करना है आगे, you can take a fair decision and move ahead. So this was something we did this year. ये इसी tenure में हुए हैं under my presidency. This was with one's first session. This was the first session with Ananya Singh ma'am. She cracked UPSC in her very first attempt. She was from Delhi University itself. Next was Meenal Karanwal ma'am. She too was from Delhi University St. Stephen's College. And next we had in collaboration with IRS Nivriti Awad. And this year I think he secured another rank and he is now placed in the IS category. Last but not the least, this session was with a former chairman of UPSC. You can understand, the chairman of UPSC himself is there with us and he shared such beautiful insights. The video is there on the official platform of Hansraj College on Facebook, and very soon maybe we'll upload it on our YouTube as well. So you can have a look at that. Mr. Deepak Gupta, he was truly inspirational and he had authored quite a number of books. Joe, as an aspirant, as an UPSC person who is preparing for UPSC or other examinations for civil service, like to do the civil service, so uske liye you can read those books, and if not anything, they would help you to have, you see, at least you would be able to imbibe certain good qualities, certain good, you see, principles, the way to go about. I was reading some pages the day before, like of this book itself, or Small Things Matter, Key to Good Governance, and he said how when you see a lot of people, उसमें उन्होंने लिखा है शुरुआत के pages में ही, that a lot of people ask कि sir motivation ये like हमें जब हम उसमें जाते हैं, हमारा सिलेक्शन हो जाता है, व्हाट वी डू, हमें काफी डिलेमास फेस करने पड़ते हैं. ही यूज्ड अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक वर्ड व्हिच इज कॉल्ड एथिकल लीडरशिप, एंड ही सेड जब आप एथिकली इफ यू विल फॉलो द कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट, फिर चाहे वो किसी के भी अगेंस्ट हो, इफ द पर्सन इज हायर अथॉरिटी या कुछ भी हो, आप कभी भी किसी डिलेमा में आओगे ही नहीं. दैट इज जस्ट अ स्मॉल, यू सी, मे बी व्हाट आई कुड से, थोड़ा सा आपको उसमें इंट्रीग करने के लिए, यू कैन गो अहेड, गेट द बुक एंड रीड इफ यू वांट टू. इन केस यू डू नॉट वांट टू, जस्ट इफ यू वांट द बुक or otherwise you can let me know. I'll let you know what the book is about, and uska summary I can maybe let you know in case you're not in the mood to read the book, but I'll definitely foster you to go and read. These were some of the sessions that were held in the last tenure. This was first of its kind, I would say. Just like this year we had our audiovisual series. This was called News on My Plate, and he is none other than Mr. Abhinandan Sikri. He is a very renowned personality and alumnus of Hansraj College. I think very, you see, his news is something which is very genuine, and there is no, I think, कोई there is no admixture of anything. It's very true, it's genuine news. And he was there with us to sort of talk about on a very crucial topic, which was importance of press freedom and future of Indian media. And also the second episode was Sakshi Joshi ma'am, and it was the topic was very crucial again. It was called challenges faced by women in the field of in the field of journalism, Indian as well as globally. So that was how. These are some of the glimpses of our competitions, essay writing competitions. As you can see, there were prizes too. Very, you see, they are so tempting. The prizes are the prize money is very nice at times. It's there, at times there are goodies or otherwise. So it's and it gives you an opportunity to learn and display your talent and your learning skills and everything. So there were essay writing competition and NCERT quizzes. We also organized some games during the festivity season of the fest. There were 2 truths and a lie, the game of the keen eye, memocracy, and who's the great journalist and otherwise. So these are how हम लोग ये सब भी organize करते हैं. It's not as if केवल पढ़ाई होता है या related to stuff, but when it's time for frolic and you see for festivity, for celebration and cheerfulness, we have these interesting things on your plate as well. So that is how. These are the study sessions. Our heads have already explained the importance of study sessions, which are जो ऐसे topics जो UPSC के उसमें रहते हैं syllabus में उनसे लेके आते हैं. This was on the major trading blocks across the globe, like ASEAN, and also there was the European Union and otherwise BRICS. So we discussed about all of those things, and that is how the study session panned out. And it was meant exclusively for the members of Nishtha Society. जो भी हमारे सोसाइटी में रहते हैं. So this is an opportunity. This is not meant for everyone out there, but exclusively for the members of the society so that they can learn and grow. These were conducted in the offline mode, as you can see, in the college campus itself, जहाँ पे tables पर बैठ के हम लोग whiteboards पे we explain the things, different things. So these are some of the glimpses from the offline mode. Very nostalgic though. Let me just move on. These are we also when times were really, you see, they were blessed times, I would say. We also used to have these you see trips to the museums, these excursions and otherwise. So this was a trip to the UPSC museum. At time once they also visited to the UPSC main building, and so that is how we do trips as well. So in case the college reopens, you would get an opportunity for such kind of stuffs as well. Let me just move on. These are some of the achievements as I was talking about. This was an appreciation letter for the members and the president of the society by Major General Rajesh Sahai. He was there. He graced the annual fest जो हमारे होता है last year का, and he was there. Also, at different times, we have received tremendous response, as in Avikshit too. Sankalp was the best fest in DU, and as of now, Avikshit has been running on the top now. Like the research which is done by a lot of number of, you see, these organizations which look for which society is working best in the civil services arena, the Avikshit, there has been no event as of now which could match. It was unparalleled, I would say. Avikshit has been, it has been very, 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 very successful. And though we haven't received any such kind of a thing, but very soon we would do, and we also post the videos on the YouTube. So that is how. Last, you see, अभी मुझे बोलने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. Why you should be in Nishtha, and I have already explained from the very starting कैसे चलता है, क्या core है, क्या हमारे council members and everything. And now there are certain bullet points. इससे ज़्यादा मैं cover कर चुका हूँ. Maybe I could just read them out for you. First is a dedicated society for UPSC CSE. Next, we have a platform to interact with. Yes, this is true. आप लोगों को एक platform मिलता है, ना केवल UPSC aspirants के साथ, but also for, you see, interacting with the intellectuals who come from around the country and beyond. So that is how. Then we have enriching speaker sessions. Glimpse देख चुके हैं हम लोग. Daily circulation of resources, I've already talked about. Then this is something very crucial. हमने इसमें लिखा है, although it's a very small point, it was one of the major steps that we have taken this year. ये हमारा first of its kind. अभी तक ऐसा कहीं भी शुरू नहीं हुआ है. This is an audio visual series जो हमारे, you see, we फोस्टर इंक्लूसिविटी. हमें लगता है हमारे सोसाइटी में सबको ही होना चाहिए, किसी को भी पीछे नहीं रहना चाहिए. एंड इन ऑर्डर टू सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रमोट दैट, वी स्टार्टेड ऑडियो विजुअल सीरीज जो हमारे डिफरेंटली एबल कम्युनिटी से जो मेंबर्स हैं, जिनको मे बी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है किसी एक, लाइक फ्रॉम वन ऑर्गन और अदरवाइज, तो उनके लिए वी रिलीज दिस ऑडियो विजुअल सीरीज कि वो उसको सुने, इफ नॉट दे कैन उसको देख सकते हैं, पढ़ सकते हैं, एंड दैट इज हाउ दे कैन आल्सो बेनिफिट समथिंग और दे कैन टेक समथिंग फ्रॉम आवर सोसाइटी, एंड दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच मेक्स अस रियली, हम लोग को लगता है यस वी हैव डन समथिंग ग्रेट एंड वी हैव डन समथिंग फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स, जो मे बी उनके लिए किसी ने मे बी वो स्टेप नहीं लिया इन आवर कैंपस, in the entire Delhi University circuit. I think Nishtha Society from Hansraj College has taken this initiative to include them under this ambit of the civil services societies which are panned out across the Delhi University circuit. So that is how. Next, we have these insightful series, quizzes, and you see an amiable environment. I hope you liked the ambience that was created today हमारे orientation program में. जैसे भी रहा हमारे heads ने जो भी बोला, जो मैंने बोला, and जो आप लोग देख रहे हैं, and I hope सबको पसंद आया हो हमारे जो environment का, you just have got a glimpse, and I hope आप हमारे society में आना चाहेंगे and you would like to grow with us together. And last में it's very beautifully written, birds of same feathers flock together. It is a society which would definitely help you to learn and grow. That is how. These are the developmental aspects, like जो हमारे team members already discuss कर चुके हैं, that there will always be an opportunity to learn with plenty of exposure. You will be able to keep in touch with your passion, challenging and competitive environment, which helps one chisel out the best. And last but not the least, you will develop and inculcate all the necessary qualities required for any phase of life. So that is how it's going to work. Journey with Nishtha, you would definitely start as a member, but based on your enthusiasm, your work, your dedication and willingness to learn, you could be promoted to the position of a coordinator, जो हम first years में ही देते हैं. In no other society, I believe you would get this opportunity कि आप first year में ही you will get a team, you will get a position for yourself secured in the council. So we give that based on your performance. If you have that, you see, if you have that dedication and working, you see, working potential and you see commitment to do work and work best for the society, will definitely give you an opportunity. Overall, we could promise that it will be an amazing journey. बहुत ही अच्छा, यादगार और बहुत प्रभावशाली जर्नी होने वाला है, जो कि बहुत सारी learning, growth और अलग चीजों से रहेगी. और it would definitely help you to become the best version of yourself. आप लोग अपने आप में इतना workout कर सकेंगे कि you'll become great individuals who would be confident, who would be extremely sophisticated to walk out confidently in the society. जब आप ये 3 या 4 साल अपने खत्म करके इस कॉलेज से undergraduate level से बाहर निकलते हैं, we can definitely promise you that. So that is there. We wish you all the very best for your journey in one of the most illustrious colleges of the country. And we hope to see you all making to our interview round. May the force be with you. This is how. Thank you. And I think I can now stop the video. And if you have any questions or otherwise, you can let me know. क्या कर सकते हैं? Just let me know. Yeah, I'll just turn off the screen and I'll open my screen again. Yeah. I hope सबको अच्छा लगा होगा ये presentation. और this is how our society is. अगर किसी को कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज अपने क्वेश्चन और क्वेरीज को चैट बॉक्स में लिख दें. आवर टीम एंड माई सेल्फ, आई वुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई हार्ड कि आपकी क्वेरीज को रिजॉल्व करें. वैसे आई हैव ट्राइड माई बेस्ट टू एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग विच इज देयर इन द सोसाइटी, कि कोई भी कंफ्यूजन ना रह के जाए. When will be the interview? I definitely knew this question आने ही वाला है, कोई ना कोई जरूर पूछेगा. Very soon we'll release the recruitment forms. जब हमारे recruitment forms की deadline खत्म हो जाएगी, within 1 or 2-3 days हम लोग screening करते हैं, and then you will be having the interview. So most probably in the month of January. ठीक है? This was Akansha, I think. So that's how. Okay. Then we have the 6-step recruitment process that you mentioned is to become a member or a post. Yes, this जो recruitment process है, ये हमारे society में entry के लिए है. You'll get entry as a member, and उसके बाद based on your performance, you could become a sub-head हमारे society में, and gradually in your next year as a head, and eventually a position in the core team, and the 7 or 8 or जो भी नए हम लोग निकालते हैं, as a joint secretary, even as a president or a vice president, as a treasurer or otherwise. So that is how. Will you please tell what type of questions will you ask in the interview? Okay, this is something I think I have already revealed. हमारे interview round में We ask questions in order to gauge your personality. If you are confident enough, you are a wonderful personality, you could be a part of this society, I think you will make through. Hamare questions that are not very factual, but they are, you see, they are overall, like we have different types of questions because we humans are very different, right? And everyone could have different questions. Like over here, I could see on my screen 4 people, Kumar, Palak, Akshit, and Harshita, and myself. And I can understand definitely कि हम लोग बहुत ही अलग लोग हैं. And when in a panel we 4 or 5 members are there, सबके दिमाग में कुछ अलग question आता है. We cannot say what questions we would ask. Maybe जब आप वहाँ कुछ बोलेंगे आके, your name is so and you are coming from this and this college and these are your hobbies and interests. तो maybe there is something which clicked the mind of one of us and हम लोग कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. So it is not about your, you see, we are not gauging your knowledge or anything. We're gauging your personality. And if that is, you see, that is something very optimistic, positive, or which we could, you see, consider for our society, you will get an entry into the society for sure. Yeah, that's there. Is there any fee for the society? There might be. You would come to know about it when the forms would be released in 1 or 2 days. As of now, I could not say for sure, but when the forms would be released, आपको पता चल जाएगा if there is any fee or not. So, yes. And can you please tell what qualities are you looking for in candidates? As I told you, we want people who have at least some talents and who wanted to learn and grow with us. अगर आप हमारे साथ सीखना चाहेंगे, बढ़ना चाहेंगे, आप इस society में more than welcome हैं. Always welcome. That is what we are looking for at the end of the day, ultimately. Yes. Thank you for this beautiful orientation. Yeah, thank you so much, Bhumika, for being a part of this orientation and being with us throughout. Thank you. And will the selection be based on the interview? It will be based on your overall performance, right from the filling of the form to the interview and then your sample task. It will be based on your overall performance, not merely on the basis of the interview. Is there any WhatsApp groups? There are official groups and you will get an entry into it once you make into the society. That you will, Bhumika, please, that you will come to know whenever you are there for the interview round. You'll come to know what tasks are given for what and how they have to be sort of worked out. That is how. Such a great president. Oh, thank you so much, Ashay. And what is sample task? Sample task मैं फिर से explain कर देता हूँ. Sample task is nothing. जैसे आपने जो भी wing preference दिया है, उसमें say for example you have opted for our editorial wing, जहाँ पे we ask for, you see, it is about writing. So जो task होगा, it would be related to something about writing. You see, कुछ लिखने को बोला जाएगा. जिससे we can see if you can write well और आप उस पर्टिकुलर विंग के लिए सूटेबल हैं. अगर आप अच्छे से नहीं भी लिख पाते हैं, इफ यू हैव द पोटेंशियल, वी आल्सो कंसीडर यू, ताकि आप उस पे ब्रश अप करें और सीख पाएं आगे चल के. दैट इज हाउ. थैंक यू मेगा. आई कुड सी, but you see, smiling, as I said at the onset, at the outset of this session, that smiling is the universal metaphor for you see, universal personification for welcome. And I think you as freshers definitely deserve that. So I think not only me, our entire team should welcome you with their smiles, with their beautiful smiles, and you all should be more than happy to be here with us. Yes. Explain everything very nicely. Thank you. Yes. Thank you so much. Today's orientation is unique details present. Thank you so much, Ashutosh. Yes. Yes. I hope all the queries are resolved. Will you ask subjective questions also in interview? Obviously, we are humans, right? And we have some questions जो हमारे individual भी हो सकते हैं. Say, for example, you say you're interested in singing. Then maybe we can ask what kind of songs you hear. But that doesn't mean it is very subjective, right? We can definitely ask the question, ki, what kind of songs you prefer? And recently, which song have you liked the most? So this is how we ask. And I think that is how you should be ready. Some interview is something which should be impromptu. And you should be able to sort of answer. It's a kind of a conversation which goes on between two people. Like, it's, say, for example, we 5 are there in the panel, Palak, Akwar, Harshita, Akshat, and me. And we are having a conversation right now, Nandini. Even if you turn on your mic, it is a kind of a conversation, right? So that is how an interview works. How do we can manage our college studies? Guys, I am not the right person for this. We definitely try to bring a resource person and for answering all these queries. There are a lot of videos on our YouTube channel. You can see वो आपको इस answer का जवाब जरूर देंगे. You can listen to those questions and आपको answer मिल जाएगा. Pratyush, thank you for asking though. Yeah, thank you so much. How much time do we need to devote if we are selected as members. We definitely try कि आप लोग उतना ही समय दें वंशिका जितना is required. हम लोग we never you see most of the times as core team members हम allow नहीं करते हैं रात में काम करने के लिए. Although you can do it on your own, हम लोग कभी परेशान ऐसा नहीं करते हैं. If you have your classes, we do not ask you to bunk your classes or otherwise. लेकिन when there is an emergency जब जरूरत होती है, then at least you have to give some extra time to the society. और वो जरूरी है. Otherwise, I think you can well manage this society with your studies in the college. And I think our testament could be given by our heads over here. They're already, you see, just nodding down their heads like this. And I'm like, yes, thank you so much. Yeah. We're glad for having such a great thank you. Thank you so much. How many factual questions will be there? Maybe zero, based on your, if we like your personality too much, we do not get time to ask factual questions. And we are just into asking things about yourself. So maybe zero questions, Sakshi. And I really hope to see you there in the interview asking no questions which are factual. So all the best and have a great day. Thank you. Yes, that's how. And I wish all of you, you see, all the very best. जो भी आपके 3 साल हैं, 4 साल हैं, you see, this is one of the most esteemed, most acclaimed, and the most celebrated society. You see, not the society, but the university of the country. And I think you all have got a chance to इस society, इस university में रह के सीखें. I wish you all the very best. On a concluding note, I would just like to quote, I just remember a quote from Ralph Waldo Emerson, who said that do not follow where people are going. You see, do not go to a path which is already there. You should go to a path which is not there so that you could leave a trail behind. If you have got me, you have got it right. I wish you all the best, and I hope you make to the interview round. Have a great day, and bye. Thank you so much.